Hi guys, so today I've had my Pretty Obsessed box delivered. Now this box is a lot bigger and a lot heavier than last month's box, and on the packaging it said fragile, so there must be something really good inside. Now this, well, it's a new subscription to me, and they do two different types. They do one for $14.99 plus postage, and you get 5 full-size items, and then they do the luxe version, which is 10 products for $24.99, which is what I have here. So mine's a 10 version product, so I'll show you what I got. So I've not looked in, but they come in like these snap boxes. So this is how it comes. The leaflets don't tell you anything about the products on the inside, but let's have a look. Whoa, there's loads in here. Hold on. Ooh, so that's what it is on the top. So let's have a look then. So the first thing I have is a Beauty Pro Black Peel Charcoal Mask, which is that one. Did you see? There you go. So this is a 7mm mask. So that's pretty cool. So self-explanatory, just a face mask. The next thing I have is this, which is Figs and Rouge Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream. Right, okay, and this is 30ml. Pore Correction Velvet Touch Smooth Matte Cream. Yeah, let's have a look. Ooh, that's nice. Nice packaging. Don't know if you can see that. Ooh. So I don't know if this is, I think this is a primer. It's alright, yeah. Quite happy with that. Yeah. So that's the second product. Next one I have is Patisserie de Bain Raspberry Roulade Bath and Shower Cream. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells like, like when you get an ice cream and the syrup that they put on. It smells so nice. And that one's got 50ml in that. Next we have, oh, I'm guessing this is the thing that could have broken, I'm guessing. So this is Mime Miracle Moisturiser at 50ml. You see? It just says dermatological tested for sensitive skin. Feed your need for glowing hydrated skin. Yeah, that's cool. So we've got that. Ooh, what we got here? So we have some L'Oreal Paris nail polish. Now this is in the colour Grege Amore. It's grey, basically. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. We have a Barry M Dazzle Dust, and this is, what colour are you? Barry M Cosmetics Limited. It just says 66, but it looks black. It looks like it's a black, which I don't mind black. I quite like black. But I don't know if it's black or just like a dark colour. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's black. Definitely black. Let's see. Ooh, I do love that. Next we have Hikari lipstick in June. Look. Oops. So that's the colour. It's like a, I don't know what you call it, like a camely, tanny sort of colour. That's how it swatches. That's quite a nice colour. Don't know if I'd be able to wear it or not. Not too sure, but it's still nice. We have this one, which is a Lottie London blend brush, which is this. So I'll take it out of the packaging. Ooh. That's the brush. It's not too bad. It's a bit like, feels like a bit stiff in the middle, but it's not like too bad. So that's that. So how many products have we done so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I should have 2, I believe. Well, yeah, I do. So the next one I have is a bath bomb, which is this one, and this is by Bubble Bath and Body Rainbow Tea Bath Fizzer. And this is the confetti edition. So this looks so cool. I can't wait to try that in the bath. And then last but not least is this Phase Zero makeup. It says shimmer eyeshadow party dress. So I'm guessing party dress is the colour. Can't get it out. So that is the colour. It's a nice shimmery black, which is a bit weird, the fact that they sent like 2 black eyeshadows. But hey ho. Put it on there. To be fair, it looks more like a gunmetal grey. But that is really nice. I don't know if you'll see it sparkling. It's really cool. I like that. So those are my... don't think I've missed any. No, those are my 10 items. So I've got the... if I can get back in the box. So I have the Phase Zero eyeshadow. I have the bath bomb. I have the moisturiser. I have the pore corrector. I have the peel off charcoal mask. I have the bath roulade shower gel thingy. I have some nail polish. Oh, this is going to be fun. I have the Barry M Black pigment. I knew that'd happen. I have the Hikari lipstick, and then I have the Lottie London brush as well. So I'm super duper happy with what has come in this box. And I will definitely get use out of pretty much all of those products. I really do like the fact that, you know, there is brand names in there that I know, but there's some that obviously I have no idea, I've never heard of them before, and it's nice to, you know, try them out. But yeah, I really do like, you know, this box. But you'll have to let me know. Let me know down in the comments, like, what do you think about this box? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think, you know, would you be happy with receiving what I've received? Yeah, just let me know. And don't forget to give me a like if you like this video. Like I said, comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe, please. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!